Family Black Phoenix checking in. Want to give you a sneak peek of my assembly layout of the Welding Skids, and just to show you how to put your best foot forward coming into 2020. As you see, I got the full layout, everything needed to build the skid itself. Here go all the stuff that's added as far as the material is. So my goal is to lead by example, and I'm trying to do all I can to be independent and be able to live a better life, enjoy my family, have more time to enjoy life. And I think that our freedom of wealth is in products, services that we own. You know, like the OG Master P said, it's talent over products. You need products. That's how we're going to change things. We got to own something, and we got to start now. So if you feel me and you down for it, work on your designs. Do what you got to do. Because we got to change history. We got to make something happen. Because if we don't do it, who going to do it for us? So you got a great idea. Get connected with the people to help you initiate that idea. Don't be afraid to spend your money. Don't be afraid to invest your money. Because investing your money is what's going to free up your money. Hold on.